I'm in a 2010 Ford Escape, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from the driver's side, we'll pop down and we'll look for this lever. This lever will release the safety that holds the hood shut. So we'll pull that. That pop was it releasing, if you could hear it. And if there's no tension at all here, double check this cable is attached. If there's no cable there, you might need to address that. But we'll go up to the front. You should see this hood now is slightly loose. You can fit your fingers in. There's a lever here, so we'll push this lever and lift. So push and lift. And then there's this arm here you can pull up, which this arrow shows you the hole it's designed for to hold it up. And you've got this lever here. Make sure nothing's bent or broken. Check for any debris stuck in here that needs cleaned up. If this is sticking quite a bit, you might need to try some WD-40 to loosen this. And then also, this is where it's hooked onto. Make sure nothing's bent. Make sure your hood's in proper alignment, because if that's crooked, that could cause you issues too. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.